Hello, today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about technology for parents at Arrowhead. My name is Donna Smith, and I'm the Director of Library Media and Technology at Arrowhead High School. Some of the ways that we will communicate with you as a parent is through our Arrowhead Advisor newsletter, which is a monthly e-newsletter you'll receive in your email. Skylerts, which we keep for emergencies or reminders. So for example, during testing time, we may send out reminders about dates and who is required to do testing that day. Social networks, you can like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter or Instagram at Arrowhead Schools. One of our main tools of communicating here at Arrowhead is through our website. This is where we keep general information, updates on activities and upcoming events, and our most up-to-date calendar is also found on our website in the upper right-hand corner, this small button up here. You can also get teacher contact info through the academics area of the website, and also that can be found under About Us. There's a staff directory, and under your parent resources area of the website. Parent Resources is a great place to start when you have questions about upcoming things that are going on at Arrowhead. A lot of times we will place shortcuts to those off of Parent Resources to answer those questions. So how will your students be using technology at Arrowhead? All students bring in a Chromebook or a laptop in order to complete their work here at Arrowhead. So here is a short sample of students explaining how they're using their laptops at Arrowhead.
I'm using my laptop to study for a Spanish test.
I use my laptop for creating an app.
I'm using my laptop to complete a lab report.
I'm using my laptop for enrichment and extra credit stuff.
We collaborate on projects online.
I'm using my computer to read a story and answer follow-up questions.
I use my laptop to plan out homework and make sure I have everything I need to.
I'm using my laptop for an assignment from our teacher and taking notes on video.
I'm using my laptop for coding the periodic table into synthetic, radioactive, or natural elements.
I use my computer for researching for business.
I use my laptop to do my business law projects and talk to the teachers.
I use my laptop for composing music.
I made a video on my computer for a Spanish project using Windows Movie Maker.
I use my laptop for checking Moodle and completing assignments. I use my laptop for taking notes in sociology.
I use my laptops for Quizlet to help study for marketing.
I use my laptop to write my modern literature essays and communicate with my teachers and other students.
I've been using my computer to write essays and do projects and also communicate with my teachers.
I use my laptop to take notes on my book.
I use my laptop as a textbook for social studies class.
I use my laptop to collaborate with others in Spanish, and right now we're writing a paper together.
I use my laptop for communicating with, my parents, students, teachers, and for my homework.
So one question that we get a lot is, what kind of laptop should I get? Well, that also is found out off of the parent resources area of the website. There are some guidelines that you can follow, but really what you need to ask yourself and ask your student is how they will be using that laptop, and that will help guide you. Other than that, it's really up to you what laptop you buy for your student. We provide a lot of digital tools and resources for our students. One of our main tools is Google Apps for Education. That allows our staff and students to collaborate with each other and work on projects together, as well as keep themselves informed and organized a little bit better using the calendaring system and Google Apps for Education and Google Docs. Other tools your students will use. They'll use Classic Launchpad, which is the student resources area off of the website. It includes applications, resources, access to server space, and Google Drive storage. It also serves as a password locker. So if your student is apt to forget passwords, this is a great area for them to use. Resources. Arrowhead subscribes to 15 databases. You can find them off of the resources area of the website or off of the library area of the website. We have books, both paper and electronic. We have our own instance of Overdrive and audio books for Arrowhead. We have lynda.com, which is a training site for students and staff, where they can go and get technology training and other training, as well as link that training to their LinkedIn website. We have course management system. We'll be focusing on Canvas this year. Parents can observe their courses, their student courses in Canvas. There is an instructional video off of the parent area of the website as well. Support for student tech needs. Our student tech leaders are housed at both campus library. So if your student is having trouble with their laptop, just general issues getting on the wireless or accessing something for school, they can go stop by the student tech leader office. Our library aides at both campuses can reset passwords for certain systems, so they should go in the library. We also have technology integrators. They integrate technology into the classroom, so those they are classroom teachers themselves, and they are working with classroom teachers on doing that. And we have our technical staff, which supports all of our computers and servers and systems within Arrowhead. Other resources we have wireless throughout the campus. We have backup laptops at each campus library, and those are temporary backup laptops. Your students should not come to the library every day and check out a laptop every single day. We will have a form for you to sign, so if your student does need to borrow a laptop from the library, we want to make sure that you're aware of that. We have laptops for families who qualify for free and reduced lunch. We have charging lockers, so if your student wants to drop off their laptop during the day, you can see the charging locker to the right here. They can charge their laptop and lock it up for their lunch hour, for example, and it should be charged up for the afternoon. We have internet safety training for our students. We have our new responsible use policy, which you all signed during registration. And we have our data privacy training for all staff so that we can keep our student data private. We hope that your student will venture outside of their comfort zone this year. So a quote from Eleanor Roosevelt, "You gain strength, courage, and confidence by every experience in which you really stop and look fear in the face. You must do the thing you think you cannot do." And a question you might want to ask your student instead of what you do at school today, maybe talk about your biggest fear entering high school, and then ask about your student's biggest fear. I wonder if that would be different. Thank you for taking the time to watch this presentation. And if you have any questions, please feel free to email me at smith@arrowheadschools.org. Thank you.